Okay, so Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this question guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this question I want to give you some tutorial about my application that I made in uh, Android Studio. So this is the name of this dashboard. Dashboard, what means of the dashboard? Dashboard is like kind of like the first page when you want to click some application. Gojek, when you click, there's some image that you can see. There is like there are many menus that you can see like GoPay, there's GoFood, and there's GoCar, and there are many. It's like an example of dashboard. So I will demo about this application, the Dshboard dashboard. It's just one of the page that in the inside of the application about Bitaqwa app. So Bitaqwa app is like that is uh, what the name we can say that is the normal one. Just like you so just we just talk about this one. So the name will demo about the scroll view. What means of the scroll view? Scroll view is like in here we can say that it's like Android compress and then XML APK. So F sorry F and then when we get so and then this one and then XML tools. So HTTP and slash Android compose. So you know that those is the one of the coding that they grab all of the code. So if you forgot about this name about this coding, you will be disturbed in your it will be interrupted with your code. If you don't want to put it, sorry not put on, but you are forgot to put it, it will be hard to you to code it. Why? Because those is the grab all of the coding of the coding that you made. And then what means of the much better and why we're not using like a number, why we're using this, why? Because we can much better and it's like and then you know what content in here you can see it's like you like normal layout you can see this. And then what means of width, what means of a height, in English we can in bahasa we can say this like tinggi dan luas. Sorry, the horizontal and the vertical. You can see in here in vertical is kind of like for go to right, go to left, and then if the horizontal is kind of like for go to up and go to down like that. So that is, and then the app Android app compact widget, compact image view. So Android ID, H plus ID, and uh, slash IV header. So Android layout with much parent. Android layout height 250 dp. Android scale type center crop, and then wait a minute. And then this uh, Android IV header, and then layout height 250 dp, as you can see, and then scale center crop, and then Android SRT draw image like that. And then we will know about this one Android and compact is just like a normal this Android compact is just compact text view. And then what I mean of for what ID and IP, and then layout width, and then layout height, as you can see in here. This is and then Assalamualaikum Sipan. So in here there's a text. Why? Because there is text. Because we use the Android and then Assalamualaikum Sipan. And then why we just center? Because we want to put in center. If you in here you can put here that is left. Sometimes we need left. Why? Sorry, because sometimes it's kind of like a regular. Yeah. So okay. Kind of like a text view in here. I guess I can see it. And then we will know about the code in here. Why? Because you can scroll view. Because we put in here. Without scroll view in like go to down or up. We're using to go to right and left. As you can see in here, right? There is horizontal. Sometimes it's kind of like lagging. So after that, we will know about the Kotlin class in here in dashboard activity. So what means of the private layout mentioned var binding? So this is a variable for like incat layout go to class, and then this is for binding activity dashboard binding. Binding is the plugin, okay? And then it's for like registration to layout activity in dashboard, and then this one the variable view for grab all of component in layout. And then this is a set content view is for what? It's like for uh, what can say like for choose what the page with the data that in the variable view in binding. I mean, and in here it's we call the function, and then function will be uh, disappear to will be changed to the activity, and then we click to for give it some uh, calling to the for click the component in the icon window app. And then this is the function for show it the data from adapter to component recycle view. So for what R mean that is for recycle view. And then for what this one for making object expression with adapter in here in adapter in here. You can see expression with adapter. And then this one is for put it the expression this adapter in here. And then as you can see put for putting the for setting the all of the header here, and then for making variable over there, and then why we put the binding, why? Because for example the Kotlin, because Kotlin using binding is very good and very well. And then we can see sometimes when you using Android Studio is so you know sometimes there's the problem in here in the import. Why? What means of the import? So like you import a file from XML to Kotlin, not like it's like simple like you import in the Visual Studio Code is like HTML go to CSS like that. Sometimes we in Android Studio we using XML, not using HTML. We using HTML because of the why we're not using HTML? Because HTML is sometimes is, no, it's for website, not for Android Studio. Android Studio is kind of like a different sorry for Android for application. HTML is for application for Android, not just for Android, but for Mac OS. Android Studio is and we will go to the activity dashboard again. Sometimes if we click in here, we will go to Windows and then the other. And then we will know about the Android X compact in which compact view is kind of like same, just different of the the position, just different in the position, not same with the one. And then we will know about this one is not before, not really same with the normal one. I just remove it. Sometimes we have problem here. Yes, go to the problem. Huh. It's like that. It's easy for me. And then this is all of the code. Sometimes the code is lagging here or maybe lagging so I guess this. And we go to the dashboard activity again because it's and then for what is binding with the video kaja because click listener. So it's like for start activity. For what? So it is like in Bahasa we can say more activitas. Like we want to click this button, we go to where and then want to click where. It's not for the other one like that. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening.